All right, so as an administrator, since you can also decide maybe you want to make changes to the user's account, or you want to rectify something, so you can also sign in with their username. So I'm going to do that by by logging into the new username that I just created. So, and click on this. So, and I'm going to sign in with the username is this and the password is this, and when I click on that, so I'm going to, so this is actually basically the dashboard for the user that I just created. So I can click on post, and let's say add a new post. So I want to publish a new post as the username. So hello, Amina. So now let's publish this. And so when I publish this, I'm going to visit my website as this, or I can just click on this to view the post. So when I click on view the post, so you can see hello, I'm not. So it's displaying it as the current user. So when you go to the when you go to the main screen, so you can see now we have this article which is posted by the new user that we just created. But this article ought to have actually shown in the post, but because we make this article a sticky post, so that's why this article still maintain the same path, while the new post is directly below under this. So that's how to log into the new username and publish it.